Hey everyone. Did you know YouTube has secret settings that can totally change how you watch videos? Most people don't, and you're missing out. Let's dive into a few you probably never knew existed. First up, tired of videos starting too loud or too quiet? Go to your account settings, find playback and performance, and turn on stats for nerds. It sounds weird, I know, but then right-click on any video, and you can see and lock in the perfect volume for all future videos. No more scrambling for the volume button. Another cool one is keyboard shortcuts. You already know spacebar to pause and F4 full screen, but did you know pressing J rewinds 10 seconds and L fast forwards 10 seconds? The number keys 1 through 9 jump you to 10% through 90% of the video. It's a game changer for finding your favorite parts. Try these out and let me know what you think. For more cool tips like this, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.